The single most important thing you can do following a DUI is homework. Read what lawyers have written. I have a blog with over 1,000 articles that I've written, probably well over 400 in the DUI section. And within them, I cover every step and every aspect of the DUI process. I explain things and I explain how we do things in our office. And anyone looking for a DUI lawyer or even just general information about DUIs should be reading and reading around. I don't mean to fall victim to the call now or we're the best or the lowest price gimmicks. This isn't a sales pitch. If you're looking for information, your first and foremost goal should be to find information. And if you just kind of put the better glasses on and read between the lines a little bit, it's rather easy to filter out BS from information. In other words, it shouldn't be too hard for you to look at something and go, oh, this is filler, or this is just self-promotional stuff, or this is someone telling me how great they are, or how they do it the best, or how they always win, or whatever. That's not going to help you. You want to find out what happens in court, what you can expect to happen to you, what the likelihood is that you're going to go to jail or not, what the likelihood is that something's going to happen to your license, what will follow, what might follow, what things can be avoided. These are the kinds of things that I address in my articles, but I'm far from the only one. Other lawyers do too. And of course, while I'm in business to make money, I wouldn't be so vain as to say you should only read my blog. You should look for real information. But first and foremost, if you're looking for a lawyer or you've just come off a DUI arrest, the very first thing you should do is start an information gathering process. And once you put those better glasses on and start filtering out all the BS, you'll find that there's enough, but not an overwhelming amount of real information out there. Look at it, read it again, compare it, and then start your calling around, do your due diligence, and start checking from there.